Now, are you looking to get pre-approved for a loan and you're asking your friends or asking all these questions online and you're not getting anywhere? Luckily for you, I'm a licensed mortgage loan originator and I'm going to give you 5 easy tips on how to get pre-approved for a loan right now. What's up, everybody? This is your boy Jacques. If you're new to this channel, I'm a licensed realtor and mortgage loan originator in the state of Florida. Now, my goal on this channel is to help you gain wealth through real estate and also help answer those questions that you might have. Let's go. Now, I'm going to give you guys 5 quick tips on how to get pre-approved for a loan. Now, my number 5 tip is to go ahead and check your credit score. I can't tell you how many people I speak to that want to buy a house that don't know their score. It's not gonna bite you guys. So basically what I would recommend for you to do is to first not look at Credit Karma and look at your actual FICO score. What I would recommend for you to do is to go ahead and check myfico.com and check your 3 credit scores. Now, when buying a home, your middle score is used to qualify you for that home. So make sure that the 3 scores are showing up on your credit report and make sure there's no locks on your credit as well. And it doesn't matter when you're thinking about buying a home, even if it's 3 months from now or a year from now, check your credit. I can't tell you how many times someone has reached out to me and there's something on their credit that's going to take 60 or 90 days. Now they have to get a whole nother lease. So the best thing to do is go ahead and check your credit, work on your credit, and that way by the time you're ready to get that home, you have nothing to worry about when it comes to your credit. Tip number 4, make sure your documents are in order. Make sure that you have your 1099s, W-2s, any information that's needed to get that pre-approval right away. You're gonna need your bank statements, your pay stubs, your tax returns. Make sure you have all that ready because when it's time to put a contract in, you don't want to be running around and fumbling for that information. Make sure you have it right away. That way it makes it a much smoother process. Even if you're getting money from your 401k or if you're getting money from a family member, even if it's a gift, make sure they provide you with those documents because the underwriters are going to need it. Now, for my 3rd tip, you're gonna need money available to buy your next property. So with that being said, you're going to need money for inspection, appraisal, title company fees, wind mitigation, your minimum down payment, and there's going to be closing costs as I just mentioned. So you're going to need funds. Now the reason for that is when you're putting in an offer, the seller of the home is going to see how strong your contract is. Now if you're going to need extra money for closing costs and you're not really negotiating on that home, you might lose out on a home because you don't have enough money, and what's going to happen is someone else with the money is going to outbid you and get that property. And remember guys, go to a licensed lender. Before you go around and asking people on social media, your friends or family members, go to a lender because your financial situation, your credit score, and your income is going to be different than someone else that you're speaking to. So they're going to go off their experience. You have to make sure you go off your financial situation to make sure you get the correct answers for you. And a quick bonus tip, if you get a large amount of money that you deposit in your bank account that you normally typically don't get, you're gonna have to make sure that money is seasoned for about 60 to 90 days. Now what that means is your money has to sit there for a period of time to make sure that we can use it for that real estate transaction. Now my 2nd tip is to go ahead and find yourself a realtor. Now with a realtor, they're gonna give you what's called the MLS system, which is a database that has the most accurate information on the homes in your area. Now I don't want you wasting time on Zillow, or anything like that because those sites are normally outdated, and by the time you go and put a contract on that home, it's already been sold. I seen homes on Zillow that was sold about 6 months ago and they're still showing it as basically clickbait to get you interested in their platform. And also another thing that Zillow does not give you is the taxes and insurance. You're gonna look at the home and say, hey, it's only XYZ amount. No, your realtor and lender is gonna break down your full total cost of what's your PITI, which is your payment, insurance, taxes, and interest. Your mortgage payment has 4 parts, and we're going to be the ones that's going to give you the full amount, so that way you're better aware of what your payment is going to be each month. And my final tip to you guys, and I always preach this and I kind of mentioned this earlier, is no matter what stage you're in the home buying process, if you're going to buy it a month from now, a year from now, 3 years from now, doesn't matter, just go ahead and get pre-approved. It's going to be so much easier for you in the long run if you know where you are financially. If you are looking for a $300,000-$400,000 house and you haven't made enough money yet, it's going to give you the motivation to grind and get that money to make sure you're able to qualify for that specific home. Also, it's gonna tell you on paper what you need to get done on your credit and what to get removed. And also to make sure that nothing else negative shows up on your credit report. Just go ahead and get pre-approved. Trust me, it's gonna save you a lot of time. And by the time you're ready to go ahead and get that home, it'll be an easy process. I had people that I helped out a year ago, and now when we go ahead and put a contract in, they're ready to close in about 21 days. Now with the 5 tips that I gave you, I hope it gets you one step closer to getting that property that you want. As always guys, if you love this video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and make sure that notification bell is on. And also guys, make sure you watch these videos right here, as I hope you guys have a great day, great week, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.